Limton say, make una join me, make we hear the truth together. One chapter we go change our life.
Matthew chapter 8. After Jesus come down from the mountain, plenty people come follow am. One leper come meet am, kneel down for in front, come say,
Oga, if you want, you go fit heal me, so that my body go well.
Jesus touch the man, come say,
Yes, I want make you well.
at once the sickness comot from the man body. Then Jesus tell am,
Not tell anybody, but go meet the priest, make he look you. After, go give the offering wey Moses command.
when Jesus enter Capernaum, one Roman officer come meet am, dey beg make he help am. The officer say,